and thank you for watching. This is Shannon and welcome to my channel. So I am back with a brand new subscription box review, and this one is called the Causebox. I am fairly new to this subscription box. I had seen it online, people were raving about it. So they had an introductory offer, so I decided to kind of snatch it up and see. I also did like that it's a quarterly subscription and not a monthly subscription, and it was something a little different. I have enough of makeup subscriptions and skincare between Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I do really enjoy my FabFitFun because I get to try things that I probably wouldn't buy on my own, and I thought that Causebox would be just that. Also, one of the products which you were told upfront would be in your first intro box was something that I definitely wanted and was worth the price of the subscription. So with that, let's get started. So much like FabFitFun, the box comes with this little magazine or paper insert that has a listing of all the products inside, as well as a little bit of information about what Causebox is. So I really like that. Now this one didn't seem, because this is the intro box, there was no customization. It looks like the box, everybody gets the same intro box. So we'll go ahead and get started, but I really like it talks about the a collective of women who care, as well as it's a letter from the editor-in-chief, and it just gives you a little bit of information. So I really liked having that and reading up about what Causebox is all about. So I'll talk about the first item, and that is the All True Straw Tote worth $8. This straw tote was designed exclusively for the Causebox community. Each one supports ocean conservation efforts. And here it is. So it's a straw tote. It's nice. It has this little white part here. I like it because it's big enough to hold a few things, but not too bulky. I think it's perfect for a cruise whenever cruising resumes. It's got, nice spot. I think it's great where you could carry probably my camera, my phone, a book, magazines whenever I'm on a cruise. So this is something I really enjoy. Probably, I would spend $8 for this. I definitely would. I probably wouldn't buy something like this just because I get them in subscription boxes, but I do really like it. Next up, we have the Wild French Pink Clay Konjac Sponge, a soft yet scrubby exfoliator that'll clean out your pores, made using konjac root fibers infused with pink clay from France, and it's a $16 value. And here is the box, and here is the actual sponge. So I'm assuming it's pretty hard right now, so it's not scrunchy, but I'm assuming when it gets wet, it's scrubbing. I love sponging, so I love sponges, to bathe, so I think this is gonna be interesting. I don't know if this is a facial, it's a facial sponge, so obviously not when I'm bathing, just washing my face, but I do like it. So I mentioned before in my other videos, I love exfoliators, so this will be something where if I'm not using an exfoliator cream, then this is something I'll use with my regular cleanser. Okay, for item number 3, we have the Alt Cooking Hub set of 6 silicone stretch lids created to reduce plastic and food waste in the kitchen. Durable, reusable, and leak-free. Say goodbye to cling wrap. And it's an $8 value. And so here we go. So I do like this. I don't know if I would have bought this on my own, but I do see the value in it. And I don't really use cling wrap much, but I am trying to get away from plastic. So I do use a lot of glass bowls, but the glass bowls always have plastic lids and they break. So I think this will be great to have. So there's several different sizes. You can kind of see through here. Again, I may or may not have bought this on my own. I definitely would, if I were, I would definitely spend $8. So I think it's a great value, and I'm glad it was in the box because it's something that I get to try. And the fourth item is the Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum, your new hydration superpower. Helps moisturize and smooth fine lines, leaving skin dewy and radiant. A $25 value. So here it is. I had it upside down, and I have this already. I got this, I don't remember which box or which subscription I got it, but I do have it already. I haven't even had a chance to use it because I still have my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary that I did purchase that I'm using, so I haven't even had a chance to use this yet, but now I have 2. So I am pretty good on hyaluronic acid for a good while. And finally, the one item everybody knew was in the box, and that is the PMD Beauty. And it is PMD Clean, a smart facial cleansing device that helps firm skin while you clean. Loved by clean beauty connoisseurs internet-wide, a $99 value. You had the choice of teal, blush, or navy. And if you chose by a seasonal, you did not get to choose your color, but if you did the annual subscription, you did get to choose. So I did do the annual subscription and I chose navy. I do have a Clarisonic, I love it. However, Clarisonic is going out of business. Their last day in operation is September 30th, 2020. So I do have some backup brushes, but at some point, those brushes are gonna get used up. So I wanted an alternative to my Clarisonic, and this is it. So one thing I do like over this than the Clarisonic is the Clarisonic is chargeable. And sometimes, you know, it's a kind of a pain in the ass to know where your charger is and to charge and to bring your charger with you. So I like this. It takes a battery, you screw this off, and I already put the battery in. And it also has a little holder, so you can put it in and it will stand on your makeup stand. And this is it. So you can kind of feel it. It feels really nice. I'm really looking forward to it. It has different levels. It has like pulsation. So different types. I've got to read up on it and figure out which is the one I need to do for my skin. But I really like it. And I've used it once, and it's different than the Clarisonic because it doesn't have the brush, but it's definitely, I do feel like it's cleaning. So it's gonna take some getting used to, but I really do like it. And for this alone, the box was worth it. So that's it. That was my Causebox Summer 2020 starter. And I believe that this was the Intro Starter 2 box. There was one that did sell out. I don't know what was in that one. I'm sure there's videos from other people, but this was the Intro 2. And I did actually get customization this morning for my fall box. And I'm very excited. It's different. So these are items that I don't think I would actually go and buy, but I'm excited to get them. Some of them were kind of hard because I wanted all of them, but none of them really stuck out like, oh, I really want that. So I'm excited to get that box and see, like I said, this is going to be something different, and we'll see how it goes for the next year. I will give you my reviews, tell you what I think of them, and hopefully that will help you decide if you want to get this subscription box for yourself. I will find a promo code. I don't have one offhand, but I will find a promo code and I will put it below because I know I used a promo code when I signed up. So hopefully I can find one for you. And there should be one in the description box below. So with that, if you like this video, hit like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.